Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to install an app in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to install an app in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to install an app in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to install an app in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Installing an app in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on apps. Here in bottom side, click on all recommended apps. Now scroll down. Here in bottom, you are seeing Shopify App Store. Click on it. From here in top search bar, you can search any app and then click on install. Click on install app. There you go. If you wanted to know how to install an app in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.